Rodney Bitgood, Cromwell Automotive. Today I'm going to talk to you about this 2011 Ram 2500 with a Cummins that we built. We started with a super clean Longhorn edition truck, which means that it has the full leather, dual dash, sunroof, navigation, all the bells and whistles that were available in 2011. This truck's a little different than a lot of the builds that we do because this truck I bought for myself, so this is the boss's truck. So we started out with a bone stock truck. We lifted the truck, it's 3 inches, about 3.5 inches on a skyjacker spring and block lift kit. Dual steering stabilizer, of course. We put the truck up on fuel Maverick wheels with Kumo tires. These are 18s. Some of the other stuff that we did to this truck is it has the Oracle headlight housings with the LED strip installed, the black housing. We basically went with a black and white theme on this truck, a couple little pieces of chrome here and there, but mostly black and white. The two offset each other really well. We took out the factory fog lights, we replaced them with the dual rigid lights. I really like the way that looks on the Dodges. It fits in there really nice and rigid, makes a bracket for it. This truck does have a plow. We installed the plow specifically because we're a Fisher dealer and I am constantly running around picking up or delivering plows, so I get to do it in a little bit of style. Coming back here on the truck, basically deleted most of the emblems, but we did go to the black Cummins turbo diesel emblem. If you know these trucks, you know that we don't have a running and a signal light in the mirror on these. In these years, you only had a signal light. We did do the conversion so that this truck now does have running lights as well as signal lights in the mirrors. Coming back here, it's got a Magnum aluminum back rack, blacked out, LED reverse, LED brake, running lights, also another rigid big floodlight on the back that goes on by the switch and in reverse. And on the rigid, we also have rigids under the bumper that come on the same way, reverse or by a switch. While we're back here on the lights, another thing that we did, this truck has strobes all the way around and they're with a Phoenix bulb. So you have the strobe action 4-corner, but what we did is you have the double flash every time you hit the brake light like you see on cop cars. It's pretty cool. It looks really cool. Also back here, the truck has a MBRP catback dual exhaust. We upgraded the tips to the double-walled stainless tapered tip, 6-inch. Speaking of performance, it's also got a Race Me Ultra programmer with the LED screen. You know what? I'm just going to show you the truck's performance.